In this tutorial I will show you how to store a weapon on your back and switching between weapons by reaching over your shoulder. Space Pirate Trainer style. So first of all, put both your weapons in the same hand. I have got a ray gun and a shield. Select the second weapon. In this case the shield. Uncheck the box in the top right corner to deactivate it. Select the right controller anchor. Add component. Create a script. I am calling mine switch gun and shield. I have already created mine, but you will have to select create a new script. Add and create. Now copy this script. A fully commented version will be available at patreon.com. If you like my tutorials, please consider supporting me in creating this VR tutorial series for the Oculus Quest. Link in the description. Drag the OVR camera rig to the head slot in the script we just created. And that's all. Please check out my other tutorials. Like and subscribe.